In this video, we show a development for the automation of reports. In this case, the aim is to improve the management of safety materials in the entity's branches. To achieve this, templates for the use of occupational safety materials were created with metadata such as name, workplace, address, and person in charge being edited according to the branch generating the report. Depending on the security policy, the metadata could be visible and even editable. As we can see, when a user decides to create a new report, OpenKM edits the key fields of the report with the data of each branch. The document process starts in the inbox folder, where the user decides to create a new report based on the available template, where they can edit the title. Automatically, OpenKM creates a new report assigned to a branch, in this case Store 2, where the metadata, name, address, and person in charge are already filled in. Each person in charge of their OpenKM session sees the relevant documentation, in this case receiving the assignment of a report which they complete through the assistant. This report is indexed in date format, year, month, and day. If we preview it, we can see how the document values have been updated with the data entered by the person in charge through the assistant. If any errors are made, the person in charge can correct them by accessing the metadata. As we can see in the preview, the document has been updated again. Each person in charge is automatically subscribed to each store, so every time a new document is created or updated, the person in charge receives an automatic email notification. From the reports functionality, we can obtain information about any aspect of interest. In this case, the users who have edited files related to personal protective equipment. If you would like more information about these or other OpenKM services, please do not hesitate to contact us.